Hello Homesteaders, how's it going? We are going to be tearing down this pile of junk and grabbing this backboard so that way we can take it over to a campsite that we're going to be building that has a compost, toilet, and also a shower. And so we are looking to gather up any found material that we can find in order to build this thing. So that's what we're going to be doing. Come and join us.
This thing is going to be a nightmare.
Yeah.
It's like rat home heaven.
It's going to be disgusting.
But I think this panel is going to be really easy to take off because I think it's just wired to these two T-posts. So if we snip the cables, I think it'll just come out. I don't even think it's like stuck to the ground or anything. So, can you help me move this thing?
Yes.
I kind of want to just get it off of the stones and onto the sand, but far enough away where we can still get the stones. Oh, jeez. Wait. I think this is holding us in. Okay. There we go. It's really heavy. Careful. You right?
Yeah.
Alright. Oh, what a filthy, nasty mess. Well, I need to go get some clippers so I can cut these ties, and then I think this thing will come right off. Boy, this thing's in bad shape. We're gonna have to do some fixing up. One thing you can do is take off as many accessories. We need this thing stripped bare, and we'll go from there. Do you know where my gloves are? Oh my goodness, I've never seen so much rat droppings in my whole life. I'm just bending this T-post.
I got mine out.
Did you? Well, I feel kind of like a wuss now.
You want me to take a shot?
Yeah, get over here, Conan. Let's see if you can get that sucker out. I'll move blocks. Covered in poo. Try not to break the post if you can help it. She-Ra. You ever watch She-Ra when you were a kid?
No, but I know the character.
You know what it is?
Yeah.
We just need to lift this out, but not break it.
Yeah, this one.
Can we get it past there? That'll work. Turn. I'm gonna go this way, so you need to kind of go that way. Wait. Can't go backwards. Remember, you gotta go slow when I'm going backwards because I can barely do it.
Right.
Ready? Yeah, that'll work nice as a shower barrier. We can leave this post in for now. We got all the stones. I guess the next step is fix this up. So I'll get some screws and a drill and we'll make it so it's not so flimsy. And then we can figure out a way to get it to the shower site. It's light enough we can just carry it. I just don't want to walk that far.
Maybe we can lay it on our flatbed wagon.
That's what I'm thinking too. Flatbed wagon plus yoga mat equals awesome.
I agree.
All right, well, let's go get the flatbed, the drill, screws.
All right, sounds good.
Okay, trailer's here.
Oh, sorry, I wasn't recording.
Are you fucking kidding me?
Yes.
So if we get this thing straight, so that these stripes are straight up and down, then we screw it into place. Assuming the wood doesn't shatter. All right. Now it's probably safe enough to haul it around. Now we gotta get it on the trailer, which is Just facing the wrong direction. You want to ride?
I don't know if that's safe.
Hold it down? Of course it's not safe. That's why we do it. Just sit right there. Put your weight on there. We'll go slow. There you go. Very good. Hopefully we'll survive this. You might not. Did you sign the liability insurance waiver? You ready?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's getting better. And then we'll straighten it out by cutting a notch.
I think we want the shelf.
Yeah, I mean, yes to the shelf, but that one is particularly crappy.
Look at that gorgeous hole. A rabbit dug it.
Oh, it's a nice deep hole.
It's a nice hole. This hole's go.
Those holes in the forest go. It's a nice one. I think it's very roomy now. Because you could kind of like stand here and the branch is no longer hitting you. I like it.
I really want to leave the branch in, so I'm hoping we can make it work.
Me too. Yeah, I want to leave the branch in there as well. Yeah, I think it's very roomy. If I kind of scan around, it feels like a big space.
Alright. It's like dune. It's like sandworm.
Yeah.
And it just swallowed all that sand. Alright, another beautiful hole.
Putting in my thumbprint.
Yeah, I'll put mine in too. Our land came with a scrap pile of trusses that is 25 years old and pretty rotted. And while it looks like a big pile, there's actually not very many straight pieces, so we had to cut them in half and make the best out of them so we can make the slats for our shower wall.
I can't believe they followed me all the way out here.
Well, even after all of our attempts to try and save it, this darn branch just kept bonking us in the head, even after we wrapped it with rope, and we had to get rid of it. So, despite all the efforts to work around it, we ended up just having to cut it down, and on top of that, it's built sap on our stones, and I'm just really disappointed because we really wanted that branch to work, and it didn't. So, here it lies. And now it's time to work on our composting toilet. It's really just a composting bucket in a wooden frame that has a toilet seat on it. But we really like it, and we finally did decide that it needed a roof. And now it's time to create a sink out of an old pot and pan, pipe, and a couple of fixtures. We'll see how it turns out.
Some proper little sink. Oh no!
He's too far. Both got me right in the crotch.
Oh, it did! It's funny.
And we also dug up this old propane water heater that we had for our old bus, and we've never used it, so we hope it works. And for our compost mix, we just use a mix of juniper and pinyon, a little bit of stove ash, and some sand. And it covers things up pretty well and smells actually pretty good.
Such a soft landing.
And that completes the compost area. Now on to the shower. The wonderful heated shower. And it's still kind of hard to believe we built a functional camp shower house out of a bunch of found materials that we might have otherwise thrown away. It's wide open, and it's also completely private. From a distance, it blends in pretty well. You can hardly even see it, and that's exactly what we wanted. That's it. That's the setup for the pump. Got a little water meter right there. Tells you how many gallons you're going to use. Shower head up here is adjustable. And to turn it on, you just flip the switch. Hear that sucker kick on? Oh, that's nice.
Nice guy shot. Oh, I can feel the heat from here.